Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Mobile. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls and user interface, ensuring you can navigate the world with ease. Then, we'll dive into gathering crucial resources such as wood, stone, and thatch, which are vital for survival. Finally, I'll guide you through crafting your initial tools and setting up a basic shelter to protect yourself from the elements and dangerous creatures. Let's get started on your prehistoric adventure. Now that you've got the basics down, let's talk about taming. We'll explore the best methods for taming your very first dinosaur, turning a wild beast into a loyal companion. Survival is key, so I'll show you how to effectively manage your character's hunger, thirst, and health to stay alive in this challenging world. Plus, we'll discuss upgrading your base to provide superior defense against both the environment and other players. Get ready to thrive. As you progress, leveling up your character becomes crucial. We'll cover how to gain experience efficiently and unlock valuable engrams, expanding your crafting and building capabilities. The world of Ark Mobile is vast, so we'll explore various biomes, each offering unique resources and challenges. Finally, I'll explain the benefits of forming a tribe, allowing you to team up with other players for shared goals and enhanced survival. The adventure continues. For those looking to truly dominate, we'll delve into advanced combat techniques, helping you overcome even the toughest foes and rival tribes. Breeding dinosaurs is another powerful mechanic, and I'll guide you through the process of creating stronger, more specialized offspring for your army. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other fantastic deals. Keep exploring, keep building, and have an amazing time in Ark Mobile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.